Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you're trying to protect a sheet in Google Sheets so that no one else can edit it, and you only want yourself to be able to make changes, this is exactly how to do it. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Choose the sheet you want to protect. Go to the tab at the bottom that you want to protect. Click the small down arrow next to the sheet name. From the drop-down menu, click Protect Sheet. Step 2. Select the sheet. A panel will open on the right-hand side. Make sure Sheet is selected, not just Arrange. Confirm the correct sheet is selected in the drop-down. Then click Set Permissions. Step 3. Restrict editing to only you. Now you'll see permission options. By default, it may say Custom. Change that drop-down to Only You. This means only the person setting this protection, what isn't you, can edit the sheet. Click Done. Now look at the tab. You'll see a little lock icon appear. That lock means nobody else can edit this sheet. How to remove sheet protection. If you decide later that you want to remove the protection, here's how. Go back to the Sheet tab. Click the down arrow again. Click Protect Sheet. You'll see the Protection Settings panel open again. Select the protected sheet, then click the trash can icon in the upper right corner. This is the Delete Range or Sheet Protection button. Click Remove. And just like that, the protection is gone. The lock icon disappears, and others can edit the sheet again. Why this is useful. This is perfect for protecting reports, locking formulas, preventing accidental edits, keeping summary dashboards safe. You stay in control of your data. If you want more Google Sheets tips like this, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. We're here to help you get the most out of Google Sheets. I'll see you in the next one.